Wow. How many diapers do you have on each leg? Oh, so yeah. You're counting. Good. 3 on that one? Wow. How many on the other one? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. Wow, you've got 8, except for you don't have 5 and 4. That's okay. I know what you mean. A Cookie Monster? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Uh-oh, you okay? Yeah. You need to put more on? Can you walk? You're so funny. Uh-huh. It's very stylish. Oh, you're going to put it on Mommy now? I think Mommy's foot might be too big. Can I try? Okay.
Mommy up.
Okay, I'll try. There. Hello. Can you walk again? Because that was really funny. You got lots of diapers on your legs. Yeah. Oh, hi, Cookie Monster. Wow. You gonna come get Cookie Monster? Uh-oh. Where'd you go? There she is. Hi, silly. Oh, they're all falling off. Falling off. Yay.